For example, this one. I can have the for example, this, I don't know, it's just a figure, okay? But for example, this one, how many sides do I have over here? How many sides? Can you count?
10.
We have 10, right? Let's see, I have
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4,
3,
5,
4,
6,
5,
7,
6,
8, 9,
7,
10. So in case I give you one of this type of exercise, I can give you, for example, 2 inches, 2 inches, 4 inches, 3 inches, 1 inch, 2 inch, 1 inch, and maybe 3 inches over here. So once again,
¿Dónde la llaman?
the only thing I have to do is to add all my sides, okay? I have to put 2 inches plus 2 inches plus 4 inches plus 3 inches. I mean, you have to put this, the procedure, you have to put it. 2
Okay.
inches plus,
So it's only to add, mister.
yes, in perimeter, yes. Okay,
18.
It's easy.
how much is that?
18.
18.
18.
Yes, that is 18 inches. Guys, if you don't put the metric unit, that in this case is inches, your answer no va a estar malo, pero sí le voy a bajar puntos. ¿Ok? Así que pónganse las pilas con eso, no se les vayan a olvidar. ¿Ok? Good job. This is only perimeter. This is like, este es como el más difícil que podría pasar, salir. Esto es muy fácil. So now, let's continue with 12.2, that is about circumference. Circumference, it's the same thing, ¿ok? Solamente que se llama diferente porque pues un círculo. ¿Un círculo cuántos lados tenemos un círculo?
0.
How many sides do we have in here?
Zero.
Actually we have just one, ¿ok? One side. Y que es como infinito, nunca termina, ¿verdad? Entonces por eso no le ponemos perimeter, sino que le ponemos circumference. And my formula for circumference is P times D. What is D?
That explaining my sister, but I don't remember, mister.
D is, esto ya lo expliqué en los temas anteriores. D, it's diameter, ¿ok?
Ah, yes.
Es una línea que empieza de acá y termina del otro lado. Y P lo vamos a poner como 3.14.
14.
¿Ok? 3.14. So, let's do two exercises. Okay? For example, in this one, I'm going to give you the diameter. Okay? This is my diameter. Let's see, it's like 5 meters. And in the other side, I'm just going to give you this. ¿Cómo se llama esta partecita nada más? Ese no es diameter, pero ¿cómo se llama? This one.
Perimeter. Perimeter.
No. Yes.
Radio.
What,
Whoever
mister?
said radius, yes. This is our radius, okay? And let's see, this is 2 meters. Okay, so number one, I'm going to resolve number one. For example, in this case, my circumference, okay? My circumference, it's P times D. Do I have P? Yes, it's 3.14, right? Times D. Do I have my D?
Yes.
Yes, how much is my D? My diameter?
5.
5. 5 meters, okay? So in this
Why,
case,
mister?
5 because
Why?
5. The line is 5.
Yes. 5. 5.
Okay, so in this case, the only thing I have to do is to multiply this. This gives me, let's see, 15.7 meters. Don't forget to put the meter, the metric unit.
That they
Okay.
say D in.
Yes, let's see to wait, okay? Let's wait, okay? Now, I'm going to review again this. This is the diameter.
Teacher,
Mhm.
multiplied by
Sorry? Who is talking? Hello? Ailani? Ailani the best? Are you talking? Okay, let's continue. Now, this is my, like I told you guys, this is P times D, okay?
I
Now,
am not talking, Mister.
okay, sorry.
No.
Okay, so in sometime in some exercises, I'm going to give you just D. If I give you D, or the diameter, the only thing you have to do is to multiply this times P, okay?
The
But
P is 3.14.
yes, always. Now, the next one. The next one, I don't give you the diameter. I give you the radius. Okay, but my formula,
Sí.
o mi fórmula, es así. O sea, tengo que usar una D o
Radius.
diámetro. ¿Cómo consigo con esta R mi diámetro? Diámetro. ¿Alguien sabe?
Multiplying the number by 2.
¿Será esta línea que tengo acá la misma si la dibujo para acá? Yes. Acuérdense, esto ya lo expliqué. Un radio es la mitad de un diámetro. Exactamente la mitad de un diámetro. So, if I have radius, how much is going to be my diameter? Hmm? Guys? If I have my radius, okay, how much is going to be my diameter?
4.
If I have radius that is 2 meters, how much is going to be my diameter? Somebody knows how to find that?
Multiplying by 2.
Multiply times 2. Yes, we have to multiply times 2 porque es la mitad. Esto ya lo expliqué en el tema 11, chapter 11. Todo esto ya lo expliqué. Los videos están en YouTube, por si no se acuerdan, vayan a verlos. Okay? Yes, I have to multiply times 2 because my
Mister,
radius.
You're going to
To what?
send in correo.
Yes, la vez pasada solamente 3 les mandé porque solo 3 me mandaron el correo.
Okay.
Okay, now, radius, I have to multiply times 2 to find my diameter. So how much is 2 times 2? 4. Okay, so in this case, it's 3.14 times 4 meters. Okay, now, if I multiply that, this is 12.56 meters. Okay. Okay, good job. That's it for lesson 12.1 and 2. Let's go with areas. Area is about, area is 12.3, 12.5, 4, 12.6, and 12.7. Yes, areas, okay? We have different kind, afortunadamente ahorita para ustedes van a poder ver las fórmulas. Si hubiéramos estado en clase, no los dejo que las lleven, tendrían que habérselas aprendido. Ahorita no, pues tienen suerte. So, let's start. The first formula I'm going to know it's length times width. Okay? Length times width. This formula is for squares and rectangles. Okay? What is length? Length in Spanish is largo, and width it's ancho, right? So in this case, for example, in my rectangle, this is my length, and this is my width. Okay, en square, pues como todos los lados son iguales, no importa acá, ¿verdad? Aquí puede ser length, y este puede ser width. Okay, now, an easy example. For example, I have this square. Let's suppose it's a square. And I'm just going to give you this, 10 kilometers. I need to find my area. Okay, I need to find my area. This is a square. What happens in a square? All the sides are the same what? Hmm? What happens in a square? Todos mis lados son igual que. Hmm? A ver. Guys, are you paying attention? Are you studying? No, I guess no. Okay, in a square, all my sides are the same because it's a square. So that means if I need to find my area, I'm going to put first my formula and how much is my length? Okay, 10 kilometers. And how much is my width? 10 kilometers. ¿Por qué? Porque todos los lados son iguales en un square. So how much is 10 times 10?
100.
100. Good job. Wait. It's 100. So I'm going to put 100 kilometers square. In area, I need to put a little 2. When I'm working with area, I need to put a little 2. That means area. What I did over here, I'm just multiplying 10 times 10. Okay? Kilometers square. Let's do another one. But in this case, rectangle. Okay, I have this rectangle and maybe I can give you like 5 meters over here and in here just 2 meters. Okay, now once again, I'm going to put my formula. It's length times width. ¿Por qué la pongo? Porque de esa manera yo, tengo que buscar length y tengo que buscar width también. El mister dijo que length es largo y width es mi ancho. So, ¿cuál es mi largo aquí? 5 or 2?
5.
5, porque es el más largo. So, I'm going to put 5 meters times, and my width is 2 times 2 meters. How much is 5 times 2?
10.
10 meters square. That's my final answer. Okay? Okay, guys? Perfect. Now, what happens if I have, okay, this is a, remember, this is a square and rectangle. The formula, it's the same. La que voy a utilizar con ellos. Ahora, ¿qué pasa si tengo esto? ¿Qué figura es eso? ¿Cómo se llaman esas figuras?
Rhombus.
No.
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram, ok. En los paralelogramos siempre se le tiene que dar esta medida. Siempre les va a salir algo así. Ok. So, I have to give you the units. For example, this can be like 10 inches. Okay, and in this case, it can be like 8.2 inches. Okay. Now, the formula es la misma otra vez. Length times width. Si se fijan bien, es la misma fórmula que usamos y siempre van a haber dos unidades que multiplicar. 10 times 8.2. Okay, so, which is my length? ¿Cuál es el lado más largo?
10.
10. Okay, so 10 inches times width. Which is my width? The other one. 8 inches. Ahora lo multiplico. Okay, this is 80.2 inches. What? ¿Qué pongo ahí también?
Cuadrado.
Yes, a little 2. Okay.
Okay.
So this is 80.2 inches. Okay. Now, let's continue. Let's continue. Now we have triangles, okay? Now we have triangles, okay? Aquí sí ya cambia mi fórmula, okay? This is 1.5 times base times height, okay? Which is my base? Base en español it's base. So, ¿cuál es la base aquí? ¿Dónde se sienta o cómo se para el triángulo? ¿En qué parte? En this one. So, in this one, it's my base. Okay? Which is my height? What means height in Spanish? Altura. Okay, so my height is this.
65.
It's height. Okay? Now, I can give you, for example, diferentes tipos de ejercicio. For example, this. Okay, this can be 9 centimeters, and this can be like 12 centimeters. Okay, 12 centimeters and 9 centimeters. Okay, remember, this is my height, guys. This is my height, and this is my base. So area, it's 1.5 times base times height. Solamente lo pongo. Okay? Wait, guys. Okay? Now, ¿cuál es mi base, Moisés? Which one is my base over here? What?
9 centimeters.
9 centimeters. Good job. Okay. Hannah, which is my height in this triangle? Which one is my height in this triangle?
12.
12 centimeters. Okay. Now, I'm going to multiply. How much is 9 times 12? 9 times 12 is 100. Voy a multiplicar estos dos primero. This is 108 centimeters square. Okay? But
Okay.
now I have this 1.5. The only thing I have to do is to
1.
divide or multiply the fraction. Queda opción de usted. Para mí es más fácil dividirlo o sacarle la mitad a 108. Okay? The half of 108 is 54 centimeters square. Okay? So that is my answer over here in this triangle. Let's do another one.
That is the answer, mister.
Yes, 54 centimeters square. Okay, this one. I have 3.2, 8 centimeters. Once again, lo primerito que voy a hacer es escribir ¿qué? The first thing I have to do is to write my formula, always. Okay, now, Anna, which is my base?
Yes, that.
3.2.
3.2 centimeters, good job. Now, let's see, Hector. Hector, are you over there, Hector?
Yes, mister.
Okay, Hector, which is my height in this triangle? My height in this triangle, which one is? Huh?
2.
2? No, my height, mi altura, la altura del triángulo, which is the height of the triangle.
8 centimeters.
8 centimeters, good job. So, I have to multiply now. Primero voy a multiplicar 3.2. 3.2 times 8, that is 25.6 centimeters square.
Why 6, mister?
Sorry?
No.
It's 25.6 centímetros square. Now, ¿qué es lo que tengo que hacer? Sacarle la mitad a 25.6. Eso lo dividen o como ustedes gusten, ¿verdad? This is 12.8 centimeters square. So my area is 12.8. Okay? Ready for this, guys? Let's go. Let's continue. Let's go with circles. This is the last lesson for circles. I mean for area. Okay? Uh-huh.
What page?
This is 271. The formula for the area, it's P R to the second, al cuadrado, right? Okay. Digamos que este radio, it's 5 kilometers. This radius is 5 kilometers. Okay, now I'm going to write my formula over here. Now, how much is P?
0.14.
3.14 times, how much is my radius? 5 what?
5 kilometers.
5 kilometers, pero tengo que elevarlo todo esto al qué?
A 2.
To the second power. How much is 5 to the second power?
3.14.
No. 5 to the second power, 5 al cuadrado, ¿cuánto es? 5 to the second power. 5 times 5?
25.
25 kilometers square. Okay, y ahora I have to multiply 25 times 3.14. This is 78.5 kilometers squared. Okay. One more. Circles.
Mister,
Yes.
we're going to connect other time.
I don't know. We're going to wait. Tal vez terminemos rápido. No sé. Okay. For example, in this case, is D equals to 14, right? 14 inches. My formula for the area of a circle is P R2. Okay, so, ¿cuánto es? Pero yo en mi fórmula necesito radio, pero yo lo que les doy es diámetro. ¿Cómo saco el radio con este diámetro? How I find my radius over there?
Divided by 2.
Yes, I need to divide by 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Okay, so in this case it's times 7 inches square. How much is 7 to the second power? 49 inches square. Y solamente multiplico después 49 por 3.14. This is 153.86 inches square. Okay, guys? Okay, para terminar, vamos a hacer un ejercicio nada más, uno para terminar. Fíjense bien. Okay? Por ejemplo, for example, this, guys. But in this case, I need to find my area. Okay? I can give you this like, let's see, 8 inches. This can be like 4 inches. This is 5 inches. Let's suppose este que está acá,
No nos deja boca arriba.
it's 4 inches. Okay, this is 3 inches, 3 inches. And vamos a darle este también que es 4 inches. Okay, so I need to find my area for this, esta figura conjunta. Okay, lo primero que tenemos que hacer es dividir toda esa figura en cuadrados, rectángulos, lo que ustedes puedan. For example, I can divide this as a square, right? And I can divide this as a rectangle, and I have a triangle in the bottom. Do you see?
Yes.
Now, how many figures do we have inside? How many?
3.
3. I have 1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
Okay. So I'm going to find las áreas por separado. Number one, what is? It's a square. So number 1 is length times width. How much is my length and width over there? My length and my width of the square. My length of the square can be this 4, okay, 4 inches. And my width, ¿cuánto es mi ancho de este cuadrado? Como en un cuadrado todos los lados son iguales, ¿cuánto va a ser mi width? 4
4.
inches. So 4 times 4 is
16.
16 inches square. That is the answer of my figure number 1. Now I need to find my answer of the figure number 2.
In all the figures, we need to do that, Mrs.
Yes, yes. Now, number 2. ¿Qué figura es number 2? ¿Es un triángulo?
No, it's
No.
rectangle.
So I need to find that area using this formula. Okay, length times width. Porque un rectángulo utiliza esa, right? Now, how much is my length in my rectangle? My length. ¿Cuánto es la parte más larga? ¿Cuánto mide? ¿Cuánto mide? ¿Cuánto es todo esto?
¿Aló?
¿Cuánto es todo esto? Somebody know how much is all this?
9 inches.
Yes, who said 9?
Diego.
Diego.
Yes, Diego. Why is 9? Because yo
Four.
quiero sacar todo esto. Bueno, aquí tengo 5 y aquí tengo 4. Todo esto, toda esta medida, si sumo estas dos, es lo mismo de aquí abajo. So it's 9 inches. ¿Cuánto es mi ancho de mi rectángulo acá, de este? ¿Cuánto es mi ancho?
Ya no trabajaba.
How much is my width of this rectangle?
4.
4. How much is 9 times 4?
36.
36 inches square. I found my second one. And para terminar, the third figure, it's a rectangle. So that I have to put, okay. How much is my base in my triangle? How much is my base?
Gracias.
Guys, how much is my base over here? ¿Cuánto es todo esto? Ya habíamos dicho.
9.
9 again. Yes, it's 9 inches. And how much is my height of a triangle?
3.
No,
6.
no, look.
4.
Por es que puse esto acá, miren.
5.
5 inches. Recuerden, estas medidas de acá no es el height, niños. ¿Ok? Es todo esto, ¿eh? So it's 5 inches. How much is 9 times 5?
45.
45. 40.
40 or how much?
45.
45 inches square. And the half, or if I divide 45 divided by 2, because I have to divide it to find my answer, this is 22.5 inches square. Now, lo último que tengo que hacer is to add. I have to add this and I have to add this. The 3 that I found, I have to add. 16 plus 36 plus 22.5 is, so the final area, it's 74.5 inches squared. Okay, guys, this is everything for today. This is area, guys. The next week, the next Friday, no tienen tarea. You're not going to have homework today, but remember, I'm going to give you a packet the next Monday, okay? And ya repasamos bastante las ecuaciones también. Lo que vamos a hacer la otra semana o el viernes es volume. Ok, volume and surface area. Son los últimos 2 temas de esto. Ok. Si quieren el video, mándenme el correo. Si de lo contrario no puedo mandárselo porque esto es bien largo, estos videos. Ok.
Ok.
Entonces, no hay tarea. Tienen suerte hoy. No tienen tarea. Solamente estudien. Mándenme el correo para que repasen estos ejercicios si gustan. ¿Ok? Nos vemos, muchachos. Tengan buen día. Ya me duele la garganta estar gritando. Chao.
Bye, mister.
Mister.
Adiós.